Here is exactly how to fix MetaMask wallet. Not connecting to a website in under 60 seconds. Click the MetaMask icon and make sure it is unlocked. Then check the network at the top. If the site runs on Arbitrum and you are on Ethereum mainnet, it will sit there spinning forever. Switch to the chain the app actually uses. Now click the 3 dots and open connected sites. If the site is not on that list, MetaMask will not talk to it. Go back to the site, hit Connect Wallet, and this time watch for the MetaMask pop-up. It likes to hide behind other windows. Click Approve and you should be linked up. Still nothing. You probably have another wallet extension fighting over the connection. Coinbase Wallet and Phantom both try to inject themselves as the default. Go to your extensions page and disable everything except MetaMask. Restart your browser and try one more time. That clears it up almost every time. MetaMask connects to the site and you can interact with the dApp and sign transactions normally. If you trade crypto, scan tokens on Verdict Swarm before you trade. Link in the description. Subscribe for more fast fixes.